Did you know that you can use ChatGPT inside of Google Sheets? Let's check it out. Go to Google and search for GPT for Sheets, which will take you to this Google Workspace Marketplace where you can install this add-on or extension as they're called now. Click Continue to accept the permissions. And then it will tell you that you can find it under add-ons, but that's now called extensions. So hit next and it will tell you that you have to do additional setup. What this is signing up for an OpenAI API key. It's just a long string of letters and numbers that you can get through your OpenAI account. OpenAI is the creators of ChatGPT. So sign up for an API key. There is a cost involved, but it's incredibly low priced. It's like 2 cents per big batch of data. So keep an eye on it, but it probably won't cost you very much to do this at all. All right, so now you've got your OpenAI API key. What you're going to do next is go to Extensions, GPT for Sheets and Docs, Set API Key. Paste your API key in there. Now that you've saved your API key, you can use the extension. So open it up again and enable GPT functions. GPT functions added. You can test it out by saying equals GPT, quote unquote, say hi in a cell. So let's do that. Equals GPT, say hi. This is your prompt that you would be typing into ChatGPT if you were on their website. And there's your response. Hello, how can I assist you today? For a more in-depth use case, let's summarize some copy. I pasted our mission statement from our website in here. Remember, as of now, ChatGPT doesn't have direct access to the internet, so you have to provide it with your information or import it into your sheet in some other way. And then I'm going to say equals GPT, my prompt, summarize this copy in 1 sentence. And then close your quotes, put a comma, and put the cell number. Close it, and voila, there you go. Have fun.